Hello students, let us start the history chapter from our ninth class, that is history and sport, the story of cricket. Cricket like religion in our country India. Friends, I hope you all know about the history of the cricket, that how cricket starts, how it came in India and how today it becomes so popular in India that we all are crazy for cricket. Either a student of class primary class to an old man, we all totally crazy for cricket. So students, before starting the chapter, let us see the importance of cricket in the modern times. Student, cricket as a sport has one of the largest following in the world. Anyone who knows to speak the world cricket can assume himself to be an expert in this game cricket. It is the most widely played game, especially in the former Commonwealth countries. Now, what is a Commonwealth countries? All those countries which were the part of the Great Britain, means all those countries which were the colony of Britain. They all together are known as the Commonwealth countries. So, it is most widely played game. If we take India, its range include from gully mohallas cricket to international test matches. Means we found in street also people playing cricket when there is a fever of cricket, any World Cup, IPL or any other kind of matches are there. We see whole environment become cricket environment. We see the fever of cricket in people. They start playing cricket in their street, in front of their houses. It is the biggest source of entertainment, not only for thousands and thousands of spectators at the playing grounds, means in the stadium, but also all those millions and trillions of peoples who watch a ball by ball progress on the live telecast on television. Here I would like to give you one example that I think it was year, not sure I am about it, maybe it was year 9 2008 or 9, the first IPL period. Then when the first IPL was held in India, and the same time we see Euro Cup in Europe, and the TRP rate of Euro Cup was 4 to 5 only. We all know the popularity of Euro Cup. So on television the TRP of Euro Cup was 4 to 5, while the TRP of IPL on the same time was 17. See the popularity of cricket. It is the biggest source of entertainment in India. Though the time period of cricket is very long, in test match it take 5 days to a one day match take more than 6 hours. Even then each ball generates passion. सांसें थाम कर लोग हर एक बॉल को देखते हैं. It is one way in which people complete with each others. They compete with each other and they stay fit and express their social loyalties towards their society through cricket. In India, we can see that all the people, either Muslim, Hindus, Sikh, Christians, Jainis, Buddhist, whatever, rich class, middle class, poor class, of any caste and religion, race, gender, etc. They all come together and pray God in favor of their country's team. Matches are organized to establish friendship between different nations. Cricketers are seen to be as ambassador of their country. Many times we see that the cricket match were held in between India and Pakistan after a long time period, because already a disputes were there between India and Pakistan, but the talk or the peace whenever it starts from cricket. So it is the cricket who helps to establish friendship between the nations. Also the same thing we see in between England and Australia, though there is a competition, but it generates friendship also between both the country. It is the cricket that has come to represent the unity of the country. As I already explained you that how all people of all religion, caste, race, gender, etc., they all come together and pray God for their country. Means they all come together for cricket. It is the biggest commercial adventure. Also cricket has emerged the biggest commercial adventure. It is a whole big industry which generates jobs and incomes on a large scale. As I said here in this example also, that during Euro Cup, it itself a very big event held after every few years, 4 years I think, I'm not sure. We see that cricket IPL which held after every years, how it beat Euro Cup and become much popular than Euro Cup. And IPL is only a cricket match or cricket league of a particular nation only. It is not an international game. No international matches are there. Even then it becomes so popular. So we can imagine that when a match held between more than one countries, it become a biggest commercial venture. Many channels directly live this. There are many companies who sponsored it. News channels, newspapers gives a separate space for cricket's updates, etc. So this is how it become a biggest commercial venture, and there is a whole big industries. It is itself a big industry who generates jobs and incomes to many people. The chapter is very interesting as we all like cricket, so we will do this chapter slowly and take each point in each part. That's all in the first part of the chapter. Any kind of doubt and problem, you can send me your doubt. I will definitely reply you, or you can visit to my blog also, which is bipindogra.blogspot.in. Thank you.